Hi, Jeff Hill here from UVA Library Communications with Kit Meyer from University of Virginia Facilities Management. We are here in mid-August at the library renovation. This is the semester that's about to begin that will finish the renovation and start to get into the building, start to bring materials into the building, and then we'll have a grand opening in the spring. But in the meantime, what does the finishing look like, Kit?
Yeah, it's a big transformation right now, Jeff. It's really exciting. We started design in 2018, so here we are getting ready for spring opening in 2024. Of course, we're by the new cafe. You can see that we've got some built-in seating. We'll also have some outdoor seating. We've got plaza areas, new steps up to McCormick Road, help to connect you out to University Avenue.
Great. Well, let's head inside. So we're here at the second floor, serves as an information desk. Now people will be able to come in through the barrier-free entry, the cafe, or the entrance on the other side. They would have the option to get on the elevator or take the stairs and go up into the building, or they can walk through this new central corridor, which I imagine a lot of people will do. And Rare Book School, the primary bibliography, history of the book, printing school in the country, will be on both sides of us here, right?
Yes, we've really highlighted their position in the library. We're putting gallery space on either side, so these are bookcases that you're starting to see going in. They'll have glass shelves, glass fronts, have security on them so that we can put rare materials in these.
So we're in what we're calling the study court, one of the study courts. This would be the West Study Court. Feels like it gets bigger every time I come in here. It will be used for studying, probably also for socializing. People, will, I imagine, will come in out of the quieter rooms maybe in here. People will probably bring food in here from the cafe. We'll see how the users make the room work.
Yeah, I think this is going to be a very popular space. And like you say, McGregor Room is a quiet space. This will be probably a little bit more social.
And the last time I was in this space, they were putting a hearing loop.
Oh, right. Yeah, so that's like a copper tape that we put in underneath the flooring, and we've done that in not just this room, but all classroom or presentation spaces. And it is a hearing assist that ties into the AV of the room and makes it more accessible.
Now we're on the third floor, another large reading room here. We're in the sort of the central part, the west wing over here, and the east wing over here where the seminar sort of instruction space, which is above the cafe, is.
Yeah.
But there's all kinds of study space on this floor.
Yeah, a lot of different types of study space. Not only have we gone from 800 reader seats to 1,300 reader seats, but we've really diversified the kind of study space. So here we have a much more modern, collaborative room with a monitor and a table in the center. And then we get into sort of more traditional library study space with tables and chairs, something nice and close to the books. Of course, these stacks are in the central part of every floor.
Okay, they're not compact shelving on every floor, but on the ones that are, they turn easily. I'm doing 3 shelves at a time, and I would be able to do this if it was full of books, which it will be. So we're on the 5th floor now, underneath the clear story in the center of the building. The wings on either side will hold staff, but I really love the light coming in, again, through this clear story.
Absolutely. And I want to let you know that all of the glass has UV treatment, so it will be fine for the books. We've managed to find that place where books and people can be happily together.
Here we've got a great example of what you've been talking about, the old meeting the new.
And indeed, here we are in the new building with this lovely new gallery. If you can see the very slight curve of this piece, this is a piece of the McKim, Mead and White Rotunda renovation.
So after the rotunda burned down in 1895, they restored it, and
that's right.
This was in there.
And then later we restored it back to more of a Jefferson building. These have been in storage. And then the architect's office had this great idea that we could use some of this salvage in this building. And the reason that it's so appropriate is that, as you know, the rotunda was our first library. Now this is our library. And so it's just a great thread from the original to here to have these pieces in here.